Good afternoon, students. Standard third, subject English. So, children, today in English, we are going to start with chapter number 23, The Two Merchants of Syria. So, let's begin. Once upon a time, in a place called Syria, there lived a merchant. He went from town to town selling pots and pans and other things made of brass and tin. He traveled every day with another merchant who also sold brass and tinware. But this other man was greedy. When he sold something, he sold it at a very high price. But when he bought something, he tried to give as little as possible. So there were two merchants. The first merchant was honest, and the second merchant was greedy. Now in this picture you can see both the merchants. He traveled every day with another merchant who also sold brass and tinware. Now children, in those days people did not always use money to buy things. Sometimes they exchanged things of the same value. In one house there lived a poor old woman and her granddaughter. The family had once been rich, but now the only thing they had left of all their riches was a dish made of gold. However, the grandmother did not know it was a golden dish. The dish stood on a shelf among the other pots and pans and was not often used. Now you can see the golden dish in the hand of the small girl. The family had once been rich, but now the only thing they had left of all their riches was a dish made of gold. Now the greedy merchant passed this house calling, "Buy my water jars, buy my pans, buy my tinware." The granddaughter said, "Oh grandmother, do buy something for me." "My dear," said the old woman, "we are too poor to buy anything. I have not anything to trade even." The greedy man took the dish and scratched its side with a needle. He came to know immediately that it was a golden dish, but he wanted to get it for nothing from the old woman. So he said, "What is this worth? Not even a copper coin." He threw the dish on the ground and went away. The crafty merchant was planning to come back after some time and buy the dish for a few copper coins, as if doing a great favor to the old lady. After a while, the honest merchant finished the rounds of his streets and entered the streets where the old lady lived. He passed her house calling, "Buy my jars, buy my tinware, buy my brass." The little girl heard him and begged her grandmother to see what this merchant would give for the dish. My child, said the grandmother, the merchant who was just here threw the dish on the ground and went away. I have nothing else to offer in trade. Now, in the next part, children, we will see what happened. Did the honest merchant give the old lady price of the golden dish or not? Thank you, children.